Hi, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to change the continue shopping color in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click Online Store on the left. The themes page opens. Go to your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for Base, CSS. A file named base.css will appear. Click it to open your store's appearance script. All your store's styling code is here. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, it's blank. We'll skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link is in the description and you'll find the code we'll use there. We'll click the copy button and the code will be copied. Let's go back to Shopify and paste our code in the blank line we left. After pasting the code, changing the continue shopping button, color is simple. Just go to the first line and change the code where it shows the hashtag and color code. Find the code after the hashtag, delete it, and add the new color code you want. If you don't know the code, visit htmlcolorcode.com. The link is in the comments. There you'll find the color code to insert. After choosing your color, click the Save button in the top right corner. Once saved, check your store's cart. You'll see the button color has changed. I hope this video was helpful.